Hey my tech friends, thanks for stopping by. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's continue to grow this channel. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Hey guys, welcome to Microsoft Windows 10 Vanilla Edition. In this video we're actually going to look at Microsoft Defender and how to remove the Defender application easily from your vanilla version of Windows 10. Now, this should work on Windows 11 as well, and will work specifically for Enterprise or Pro. I don't know that this will work for Home, but you're welcome to try it. I just don't know. I don't have any way to test that. So the first thing you have to do in your vanilla version of Windows 10 or Windows 11 is make sure it's 100% completely up to date. Okay, so during your installation process of your updates, what you're going to want to do is just keep a track and keep an eye on this path. And this is located under your Microsoft Defender antivirus service. And where it's pointing is C Program Files, Windows Defender, and the msmpeng.exe. And the reason why this is important is because during our update process, at some point during this process, this path is going to change to the program data directory. And that's necessary in order for us to get rid of the Defender antivirus from our Windows 10 or Windows 11 system. Okay, so we just rebooted. After reboot, now if we look at our actual service structure in here, we're still seeing the Windows Defender service structure. We're still in the Defender antivirus service, but we're going to see the executable path is now changed to the program data directory, specifically to the msmp engine, but we're in a program data directory. Now, this is controlled by an update, and that update is actually KB 4052623. So that has to be installed first. You're going to make sure that that's installed on your system so that way the path to the executable changes. All right, guys, so now the system's back up and running, and we just rebooted it. We already have our confirmed location change for the KB install for our update, which changes the location as to where the Defender MSMP service actually runs from. So now the fun part starts. So specifically at this point, what we need to do is install the free version, the trial version of Malwarebytes. Now to get that, specifically where you're going to have to go is to malwarebytes.com/trial, and you'll just click on the free download icon. Once you have that downloaded, you'll just double click on it or right click and do run as administrator, and then yes. And the advanced options don't really give you much in here other than a change where location and creating a desktop icon. For me, it doesn't really make any difference. Choose personal, and I'm going to do next. Skip for now. And it'll install our Malwarebytes antivirus. Now, while this is installing, we can come over into our details location here and arrange by our service name. And we're going to see that our MSMP engine service here will eventually go away and be replaced by our Malwarebytes service once the installation has completed. So there we go. The installation is done. So we're going to choose to open Malwarebytes. Choose to get started. Do maybe later. Start the trial. Got it. Get started. Now if we give it a couple seconds here, this service should be replaced by our mbam service. Just like that, it's gone. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to open back up our service console here. And we're going to look for specifically Microsoft Defender Antivirus Service. And you're going to see that it's no longer running. So if we right click on this and we go to Properties, you're going to see the path or the location where this currently sits. Okay, so now we're going to navigate to this location. So if we open up a folder, it's going to be a hidden folder, so you're going to actually have to type it in. You're going to go to Program Data. You're going to Microsoft. You scroll down, you're going to find Windows Defender. And then we're going to look for Platform. And then we're going to see the 4.0 version here. And we're going to scroll down and we're going to specifically look for the MP or MSMP engine. So before this Microsoft Windows update, that KB, when this file exists in the program files directory, you can't delete it. You can't change it. You can't do anything about it. But inside of our program data directory, we can get rid of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump up to the Windows Defender folder. And under Platform, with it selected, we're just going to do Shift-Delete and click on Yes. And then click on Continue. And we just click on Skip for the ones that says to display or don't display. And you're going to see now that inside this folder, we no longer have the MSMP engine. It doesn't exist. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to uninstall Malwarebytes. So if we just go to Control Panel and do Uninstall a Program, locate Malwarebytes and do Uninstall, remove, uninstall, skip survey, uninstall. So during the uninstallation process, you'll get pop-ups to indicate that there's no virus protection on the system. And once it's done, we're just going to click on Done for completion. Close out of the pop-up window. Close out of Add Remove Programs. And if we go now into our service, or rather our settings structure here, into security and into Windows security, we'll see that we have virus protection issues. So we can't start the service because we deleted it out of our services console, out of our program data directory. So now if we go into our task manager and we actually look at our details, our usability as far as memory utilization, we don't see the MSMP running. We can arrange it by name too if we really wanted to. I'm just going to kill Microsoft Edge. It doesn't need to run in the background. But we don't have it running. And the reason why is because we deleted it. That file no longer exists. But that fix, or rather removal of this application, in order to actually get rid of it, requires you to make sure that you have that KB installed. I'll put that in the description so you have the KB number. But at this point, that's how you remove Defender easily from a system, assuming you have all the Windows updates. Thanks for sticking around. Take it easy, guys.